Hello, my friends, and welcome to another edition of FusionTradingLive.com, training for the serious investor. Let's go over last couple of days. Now, I had a friend of mine who I'm in a discussion group with called yesterday's Monday's big market meltdown a horrible market. Now, I asked him why it was a horrible market. Is it a horrible market? Um, so I replied to him that in general, for the well-being of the economy, it was a bad day. However, for a trader, uh, it may not have been a bad day. Were you in the market? Were you not in the market? Um, did you want to go short the market? It all depends on what your mindset is. If you're constantly thinking of going long, then yes, it was a bad day. But if you have the ability to go short, or using ETFs, the inverse, then it was a good day. What I want to talk about right now, though, is Eurodollar and how that affected what happens in the market. Okay, you can see this was our Monday here. You can see that the weekend went by, and then it came out, and then here's pretty much what happened. It just tanked Eurodollar. Now, is that good or bad? Like I said, for economy as a whole, it's probably not good. But as a trader, you can make tons of money. Here's a setup that I was looking at, and it busted right through. I'm going to move my chart over so you can see the numbers here. Now you can see that I leave a big hole in between my numbers over here and where my candlesticks are. Now, why do I leave this big hole here? Well, I leave this big hole here because you want to, that helps me to remind me that I can't see into the future. I don't know what's going to happen in the future. Now, if I go like this, you can see that it's right by the numbers. So you kind of, it's not the same, it doesn't give you the same mental aspect. Here you could say, okay, well, it's way down here, so now it's going to go up because it's been going down. Okay, so now it's got to go back up, right? Not necessarily. It could keep on going further. And in fact, um, it has the ability to keep going further. Notice that I stopped myself right there because I was about to say I think it's going to go further, but I hate doing that because um, that's an ungrounded statement, and the market doesn't give a damn if I think it's going to go long or short. So I stopped myself and I said it has the ability to keep going short, which I expect it to keep going. Um, Again, I got to restrike that. If it keeps going, great. If it doesn't, who cares? That's what you really have to have the mentality to say. Okay, so anyway, I have this big space here. So, was it a bad day or was it a good day? Well, for me, it was a good day because price broke. I'd had my original stop up here. I'd had my original stop up here. Price broke. However, I knew that I really had my stop up here, but I was planning on it being here because of this last fractal. So let me pull that down because that's when it started coming down already. Now, if it would have hit and gone back up, then I would have been out right here. So here's my entry here, my stops here. Now I could have put my entry a little bit higher up here, but I was a little worried that it could bounce off of this area here. So price hit and kept on going. Now it's already kept going, came back up, came back down, formed a new fractal. I went ahead and moved my stop to break even or slightly above break even. Now my risk is off the table. If it comes back up, screw it. I lost, but I didn't lose any money. If it keeps going down, which if it does, great. If it doesn't, whatever. But I'm just gonna let it keep going, and if it, until the trend stops. I actually have to zoom out to a higher time frame, actually all the way out to the daily chart, so you can see that it has a long way to go. It can go all the way down here to these two areas down here at 1.2549, and it can even go further. I don't know, but I'm going to go ahead and let it ride till somewhere around here and see what happens. Or if I have the ability to move my stop down even further to protect my profits, we'll see what happens. All right, so I just wanted to show you that just because the market's going down doesn't necessarily mean it's bad, and it doesn't mean it's bad for you as a trader. Yes, as far as for the whole economy as a whole, it's not a good thing, but as a private trader, you can make money. So don't be one-sided. Don't always think long. Uh, be able to think long or short. You must be able to go long or short if you want to make money in today's market. All right, thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. If you have any questions or want to see my blog, just go to fusiontradinglive.com and check out my blog. It has great articles on there. I have some free videos, and check it out. I'll talk to you next time.